Hello everyone and welcome to your partner in education, Agile Rank Mate. Today in this episode of The Future, we're going to be looking at a very important crowd-funded technological breakthrough, a solar boat by the name of Freepower. With the looming threat of global warming and the reality of climate change, there has been talk of a fundamental shift in energy use. People and governments all over the world have started to look towards renewable sources of energy and alternate fuels to minimize the global carbon footprint. Research has been particularly intensive in the transport sector, with companies experimenting with solar, wind, and alternate fuels. A solar vehicle or solar electric vehicle is an electric vehicle powered completely or significantly by direct solar energy. Usually photovoltaic cells contained in solar panels convert the sun's energy directly into electric energy. The term solar vehicle usually implies that solar energy is used to power all or part of a vehicle's propulsion. Solar power may be also used to provide power for communications, controls, or other auxiliary functions. Solar vehicles are not sold as practical day-to-day transportation devices at present, but are primarily demonstration vehicles and engineering exercises, often sponsored by government agencies. However, indirectly solar-charged vehicles are widespread, and solar boats are available commercially. The latest solar boat project to pursue the crowdfunding path is the Norwegian solar boat Freepower from the Biotech company. The campaign is hosted on Finnish site Bidra with a goal of 780,000 Norwegian krona, or about $75,000. Created by Martin Bjormalm and Pivot Product Design, the Freepower features a 9 or 18 kilowatt-hour battery pack charged from shore power that can be augmented with electricity from a 1 kilowatt solar module on the boat's hardtop roof. The boat is 7.1 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, has a shallow draft of only 0.4 meters, and is 2.3 meters high above sea level. It is made out of 100% recycled aluminium and weighs only 1,100 kilograms. The boat is called the Freepower because the goal is to create an autonomous boat with the freedom to go whenever and wherever without fuel stops, with freedom to harvest the energy around us. Oddly enough, or maybe aptly enough, Bjormalm first started thinking about Freepower when he was working in the oil and gas industry in Norway. When he became a father in 2012, his thoughts turned into what kind of world we want to leave for our children, and he knew it shouldn't and couldn't involve burning fossil fuels. Freepower has an iconic, timeless, but classic Nordic expression. This means that boat owners would not resort to buying a new one based on perceived deficiencies via looks alone. It is a CE Class C boat that can be used inshore and on beaches, and comes in 3 models: Utility, which houses a maximum of 6 people, Coast, and Escape, both housing 10 people at maximum. All material choices and technical solutions are well thought out to ensure sustainability and durability. Furnitures, for example, are mounted on rails that allow you to choose how the boat looks depending on what you're going to use it for. The interior is also mounted on rails that make the boat modular and multifunctional. The layout is easily changed as needed. This also means that the boat can be used in a completely different way than previous owners when changing owners. example from a leisure boat to a fishing or taxi boat. The thick fender strip around the boat reduces the need for fenders. The central console provides high stability and good access. High topsides, stairs in the bow, and grab rail around the entire sunroof creates security. The boat is constructed from flat or single-curved aluminium sheets. Part count is kept to a minimum, and functionality is integrated wherever possible, such as handles along the center console and rear supports. The spray hood is constructed from rectangular flat canvas and window materials. It is attached to gunwales on the outside of the waterboards, directing all water hitting the sides towards the outside of the boat. The hood has two entrances, aft and two towards the bow. The roof is supported by the center console in the front and an extended motor housing in the rear. Obstruction-free gunwales contribute to the functional and utilitarian design. The motor is recessed into the transom, allowing for a generous aft platform for easy entry or exit. The platform also protects the motor when tilted up. Platform size is maximized for usability. With the motor tilted down, the platform can be bridged with a separate center part. This creates a continuous wooden decking. It allows for improved accessibility and creates a safe space for entering the water. Two large compartments on either side of the motor provide ample storage for equipment such as ropes, fenders, and grapnel. The centerpiece is stored in one of the rear compartments when not in use. The gunwales are equipped with 4 sets of cleats and lifting points. There is also a water table that serves as an attachment for the spray hood. The deck has a pair of cargo tracks running along the ship on the main deck. These allow for a variety of configurations and equipment to be installed. Gutters along the roof edges lead rainwater towards the back and down along the rear supports. Rainwater ends up in the engine, where it is led out through scuppers in the transom. Forward-facing windows reduces glare and water collection. Glare is reduced in daylight and reflections from instruments, etc. are reduced in low light conditions. The horizontal surface in front of the window is covered with a dark, non-reflective, anti-skid material. The electric boat Freepower is self-sufficient by energy from the sun. Solar panels are clean, silent, reliable, and have absolutely no moving parts. They will give the boat 100% carbon dioxide-free operation throughout the boat's lifetime. Producing your own energy via the solar roof does not just mean that Freepower is free to drive. The need for battery capacity is reduced, which in turn results in lower weight. Lower weight means less energy consumption, which in turn gives a longer range. The solar panels are monochrome flex panels from Sunfield New Energy. Together, they have a capacity of 1.3 kilowatts nominal. Flexible panels are bonded directly to the aluminium skin. The driveline is developed and produced by C-Drive, which involves using a 360-degree azimuth pod that moves horizontally along any angle with electronic control. The pod provides precise steering without the use of a rudder, and the boat can be steered with either a steering wheel or a joystick as options. The hull's hydrodynamic profile is energy optimized for electric operation and displacement speed. The batteries are placed in the keel, which provides good stability and stable battery temperature. There are no hull penetrations below the waterline. In this way, the hull is kept intact throughout its life. This makes the hull shape fully developed and maximizes service life. The battery management system in the boat communicates with a controlled area network bus and NMEA 2000 communication protocol for fail-safe internal data communication. The self-developed batteries have an output of 4.5 kilowatt hours to 18 kilowatt hours, 1 to 4 batteries. It is a lithium iron phosphate type, or LFP, and is 80% recyclable. The battery has a rated voltage of 48 volts and a capacity of 90 ampere hours. Freepower's own app automatically calculates the range based on current speed, so you have full control. Range anxiety is alleviated with the Eco Balance Meter, where the app helps balance the energy consumption with the speed of the boat so that people use net zero from the battery. Every part of the vessel's system, from solar panel down to propeller pitch, has been chosen to minimize energy use, to such a degree that when driving in eco-balance mode, the battery is still charging from the solar panels, even as the motor is using the electricity to move. The EcoBalance app lets you monitor battery status as it receives information about incoming charging power from solar panels and consumed power to the motor. The app always shows the status whether you're on the boat or at home, so you can be safe. Freepower has power for a fridge/freezer so that you can have fresh food and drink all day inside the boat. And that's all for today. We hope you found this very interesting and informative. For more content such as this, please don't forget to subscribe to your partner in education, Agile Rank Mate. So until the next webisode, take care, stay alert, bye-bye for now.